right, guys, so now we're moving into more of the cutting shapes aspect of EDM shuffle dancing. It derives from the dance Charleston, and that's actually what I'm gonna be teaching you guys first today, the Charleston. Make those knees and those ankles really loose. Make sure you guys are really feeling nice and warm in this part of your body, from your ankles to your knees. First thing you're gonna do is you're gonna go out and then cross forward. Yeah? You're then gonna go out with the leg that you have behind you. Boom, cross in. Out, cross in. Out, cross in. You don't want to focus too much on the out of it. Just focus on going in on the beat, yeah? A lot of the times I see people going and then they're really focused on like the going out of it. You really want to focus on crossing in on the beat. So kind of don't think that this even goes out, even though it naturally does. You know what I'm saying? So when you hear it and you're trying to do it with the beat, you're always crossing in on 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. So let's try it. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 and 2 and 3 and 4. And you can also go backwards with it. And 5 and 6 and 7 and 8. Keep going. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. As for arms go, you want to do opposite arm, opposite leg. If you're crossing your right leg, you want to use your left arm. Shoot and shoot and shoot, or like slapping it or something like that. And same goes going back. All right, let's try with music. I hope you enjoyed the Charleston. It's one of my faves. As you can see, I couldn't help it but throw in some other shapes, which I will teach you. Don't you worry, I'll see you on the next one.